Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today I'll be talking about Ethereum and forecasting its monthly price using AI and historical data since August 2015. And I'll be presenting three scenarios: the base case, the bull case, and the extreme bearish case scenario for Ethereum using monthly average price and historical z-score, which is a metric of how far is the uh, price in terms of its average price and standard deviation. So let's get started. And I have color coded the chart to make it easier using z-score. So whenever the price is in green color code, that means that Ethereum is not in its peak or an overvaluation stage, and when as the transition starts from green to yellow, yellow to orange, orange to red, as you see over here, that means that the z-score, that is the last indicator you're seeing, 3.3, that when that value is highly positive, that means Ethereum is in a overvaluation phase. So with that in mind, I have divided this in two cycles: first till 2019 January, and up the second till end of year 2022. So and I believe that once we started in 2023, just like we did a reset button in December of 2018, we would have a reset button in 2023 January as well, considering 4 years as our typical tenure for a market cycle, and taking a leaf from Bitcoin's halving cycle as a metric. So in the second cycle also, you can see that the price at a monthly level was pretty undervalued, and the color code was associated was around dark green, and then slowly we became yellow, and then from yellow we migrated to orange, and we had a small red or overvaluation, extreme overvaluation in late half or November of 2021. Ever since that point, we are in the yellow territory, like the one we had before we hit the reset button in December 2018. What is different this time is, if you notice, in December of 2018, the z-score was negative 0.37, whereas right now Ethereum's z-score is, or as of December of 2022, with a price of $1,240, which is substantially lower than what Ethereum is right now trading in the month of May, or in the month of June. Sorry, this is July. So we had the last data for the month of June, and that the monthly average price was higher than $1,800 at that point, and the z-score was positive 0.41. But I just wanted to help you understand the differences that I see based on data science and AI and statistical view of Ethereum, is that unlike in 2018, where December had a substantially negative z-score, we are scraping the uh, the barely scraping the top, and we are barely negative. We were in December of 2022. So even though and right now we are not even in negative, we are almost at this level that we had in August of 2022, with a positive z-score of 0.30. So even if, with that all in mind, I've fed this data to an AI algorithm that I built, and used that to forecast Ethereum's price action in the bull case, the bear case, and the base case for the latter half of 2023. And these are the three lines that you're seeing on to your right, which correspond to the top is the bull case, the middle is the base case, and the bottom is the bear case for Ethereum. And let's get started with that. And this is not financial advice, this is use of historical data to forecast. So for month of July of 2023, the base case scenario is Ethereum for a monthly average price to be around 1550 US dollars, which is slightly lower than where Ethereum is right now trading. In August, the AI model has forecasted a rally, and then the rally to go up to $1,800. And for and similarly, I would like to cover what is the bull case scenario at the same time. So if we have like a substantial rally in July, this could be a theoretical ceiling at which the rally might get sold off, and that ceiling is for July is 2,400 US dollars. Similarly, if we have a crash in July, the point at which this could get sold off, or start not sold off, have like a buy signal, and at that point potentially using historical data is at 700 US dollars. For August, as I said, it's 1,800, while the theoretical ceiling is at 2,700 almost, whereas the floor rises to about 950 US dollars. So as we move further and further, both the ceiling and the floor shift by a lot. For September, the base case is at 1,700 US dollars, a little over that, and the ceiling is for any rallies in September is at 2,600, almost 2,600 USD, and similarly the floor is at 860 US dollars. For the month of October, the base case of the AI models output is at 1,700 US dollars, whereas the rally could get in October could have like a theoretical ceiling at $2,555. Whereas in October, if there is a crash, that crash would have like a theoretical floor at 860 US dollars. For the month of November, the story is the base case is at 1,800 US dollars. The bull case is at 2,600 US dollars, whereas the bearish case or any floor action is at 950 US dollars. For December, the last month of the forecast today is at 1,750 as the base case. The bull case of it for any rally is at 2,600 US dollars, and the bear case is at 932 US dollars. So most likely Ethereum would trade in somewhere in between these ranges, and these ranges would help you determine Ethereum's potential upside and downside for the remainder of 2023. And I hope I did a fair job in covering all the scenarios pertaining to Ethereum for the rest of the year. If you like this content, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel, and do check out the playlist that I've created on this channel for any altcoin or Bitcoin specific content that you would like to see. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.